Welcome friends. In this important video, I am going to tell you many important trades that are coming for you and that will be very profitable for you in future. So that's why please watch this video complete and subscribe my YouTube channel as well as my Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. So please thumbs up, like button, and please share this video to all of your friends for more informative content and very useful information about Bitcoin and altcoin trading. Here you can see friends, this is Bitcoin US 1 hour Binance chart, and here you can see currently this is the pattern, this is the falling wedge, and Bitcoin broke this falling wedge towards upside, and after that if I calculate the height of this falling wedge, then my target, here you can see from that point, from that breakout point, my target is at $36,800 level. If Bitcoin break $36,500 level, then I'm going to tell you my next trade for Bitcoin. Currently, there are some patterns that I'm going to tell you in Bitcoin and altcoin trading. So for that, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, here you can see Bitcoin is currently at $34,205 level and creating a inverse head and shoulder pattern too. Here you can see this is the head and shoulder pattern, friend, not inverse head and shoulder. And if this happens and Bitcoin break this sportive trend line, downtrend line, then I think Bitcoin is going to hit $30,000 level. First of all, $32,500 level, and after that $30,600 level, and after that maybe it is going to hit I think very low, and it is going to hit my target that I'm going to tell you in near future in this video. And let me please show you my other chart for more clear vision, and let me please do this for you. Friends, please show your support to me, and please follow the please subscribe this video, subscribe my channel, and like this video. Here you can see this is Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour Coinbase chart, and Bitcoin is forming a W pattern too. And if Bitcoin break this neckline of this W pattern, then Bitcoin is going to hit definitely $41,300 level in near future. For this, Bitcoin must have to go too high and break this W pattern. After that, maybe we may see some sideways action, and after that Bitcoin is going to retest, and if this happens, if Bitcoin retests this upper trend line and neckline of this W, then we can open a trade at that point, and this is at $36,500 level. And after that, Bitcoin definitely is going to hit $41,000 to $43,000 level, and maybe Bitcoin is going to create a new all-time high in that region, and in that point you can say that. And this is very good sign for the Bitcoin if this happens. And let me please show you other pattern. If this not happen and Bitcoin rejected from that point, then this will be the indication that Bitcoin is going to will be go down, and maybe Bitcoin cross this upper trend line, downtrend line, and after that maybe Bitcoin break this support zone, and after that this support zone. And how can Bitcoin do this, and what are next targets? Please watch this video complete. I'm going to tell you. Please wait. I have to go my Coinbase chart, and please wait for this. Friend, Bitcoin is currently very volatile. One thing is that please do not use high leverage in that kind of situation. And this is my Coinbase chart. Let me please remove some drawings, and this is very important video. So please show your support, and please share this video with your friends, and please join my Telegram channel. And if you want to earn $600 bonus in Bybit exchange for leverage trading, then link is in video's description. You can register through Bybit account and register to Bybit and register through Binance. Links are in this video's description. Let me show you other pattern I found in this Bitcoin chart. Let me please remove all triangles. Here you can see this is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder. If Bitcoin is rejected from that point, let me please show you, and let me please draw this. If Bitcoin rejected from that point, then we are going to open a short trade. And for that, let me show you my target. Please stay in the video. And after that, Bitcoin is going to hit this next support zone in support area. And after that, let me please show you. We have to calculate the height of this head and shoulder, and we have to put at the bottom of this support zone, and then our target is at $24,000 level. This will be very good trade for all of us, and if this happens, let me calculate the profit. I think a profit will be very good, I think so. Here you can see, if we open this trade from that point and Bitcoin hit that point, then our profit will be 32%. And if we put stop loss at that point or above this neckline, 2 or 3%, then our risk is just 3% and our reward will be 32%. This will be a very good trade for all of you. I am waiting for. So please, friends, show your support. I badly needed it. And let me show you other scenario. If this happens, then what we are going to do? Let me please remove these tools. Here you can see when our chart is a little bit clear from these drawings, and I am going to tell you next trade if Bitcoin break this upper trend line and close 4-hour candle above this neckline of this W pattern, then what is going to happen? Let me please show you. We have to draw a W for that. Here you can see. Friends, please show your support. I badly needed it. And if this happens, if Bitcoin break this neckline of this W, then our target definitely is that $42,450 level. And if we trade this, let me please calculate the height. If we take trade from that zone and put your stop loss at the previous top of low top of Bitcoin, then our trade, let me please show you. This is the 16% and 6%. Reward is 16% and risk is just 6%. If you do not want to take that kind of risk, or if you want to trade very safely, then move your stop loss at 2 or 3%. This will be very good trade for you. Now your reward is just 17% approximately, and your risk is just 3%. I think this is very good ratio. And for you, if you enter this trade, if you open this trade, and if you get profits, then please remember me, and please do favor me, and please support me, and please share my videos to all of your friends in that case. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see the EMA ribbon of 1 hour candle is at $35,000 level, and Bitcoin is rejecting. Here you can see several times, I think 5 times, and at that point, Bitcoin must have to close over the candle above this ribbon for upcoming uptrend. If Bitcoin fails, then definitely we are going down, and maybe we may see this $32,500 level, and after that maybe $30,000, and after that maybe $24,000 level. For this, Bitcoin must for uptrend, I think Bitcoin have to break and have to close over the candle above this EMA ribbon. First is that. And let me show you the other chart, and this is the 4-hour chart. Here you can see. Sorry for that. Sorry. You can see. EMA ribbon is currently 4-hour EMA ribbon is currently at $35,860 level. If any 4-hour candle close above $36,000 level, this will be the indication that we are now in uptrend, and now Bitcoin is ready to go high, and Bitcoin is ready to hit my target of 42,400, maybe $43,000 in near future. So you have to wait for this. Let me hide some drawings and let me show you my next chart. People are very crazy for Ethereum right now. Let me get into it. Here you can see Ethereum is currently is creating a W-like pattern like Bitcoin is creating, and let me please show you 1 hour chart. Here you can see it clear, that same pattern, same chart of Ethereum, and here you can see how Ethereum is correlated with Bitcoin. Here you can see the same W pattern and same head and shoulder pattern is creating by Ethereum. Here you can see if Ethereum break this downtrend line, and from I think $1,020 level, then Ethereum definitely going to hit next target. Let me please draw this. This is the target. If Ethereum do this, then definitely Ethereum is going to hit $820 level very soon. And if Ethereum hold this level, and let me please draw a resistance level for Ethereum, or you can say a neckline. If Ethereum do this, and currently it is holding a symmetric, it is creating a symmetrical triangle too. Maybe we may see some kind of ascending triangle. This is not symmetrical triangle. And if Ethereum break this upper trend line, friends, we have to wait for this. And if Ethereum do this, let me please show you. Here you can see. We have to put at that level, I think so. Ethereum is going to, here you can see, and we have to put that here, I think so. The next few hours are very important for the Ethereum. Here you can see, and these are the targets I am waiting for. $1,330 level and $865 level. And if Ethereum break this ascending triangle towards upside at that point, then our target is, I think, same, and we have to wait for this. And if Ethereum break this upper trend line, let me please of this W pattern, let me hold this, put at this, then our target is same, I think, $1,330 to $1,350 level. These are targets currently I am watching for, waiting for. And let me please remove these drawings, and let me please show you other thing I have waiting for. If this happens, this will be the bad. This will be very bad. This will be very bad for the Ethereum. Let me please show you. Currently, Ethereum is creating a head and shoulder pattern, and if Ethereum break this trend line, downtrend line, then let me please show you. If Ethereum do this at that point, then our target will be $835 level. 835. Here you can see. These are the levels I am waiting for the Ethereum. Let me please show you, and again, and in early video, in the beginning of this video, I was told you that this is very important video for all of you. If Bitcoin do this, if Ethereum do this, if Ripple do this, then you can trade in very profitable manner, and you can get very profitable trades. Let me please show you the long position. If we take that position from that point, and we just set our stop loss at just, I think, 3% will be enough for us. The risk is just 3%, and our reward is at, I think so, approximately, I think, 19%. 3% is risk is just 3%, and reward is 19%. If you set your leverage at 10x, this trade will give you 190% profit, sure profit. And if, let me show you other scenario, and if this happen, we are going to do this, and for this we have to take this, and if Ethereum break down from that point, then our target, I think so, is that this is the very comfortable zone for all of us. Here you can see 18% is our profit, and just, I think, here if we set this at just 3%, 3% risk, 18% reward, 18 to 19% reward. These will be very profitable trade for us, Ethereum and Bitcoin. You have to wait for these trades and show your support. Please like this video. Please subscribe my channel. And here you can see. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon, and EMA ribbon is currently at $1,090 level. And if over the candle close above $1,090, above $1,090, this will be the indication that Ethereum is going to hit next target. And for more confirmation, and for strong confirmation, we have to look 4-hour chart. If 4-hour candle Ethereum close above $1,120 level, this will be the indication that Ethereum is going to $1,350 level very soon. Let me please show you the Ripple chart, because many of my subscribers are asking for the Ripple chart. Here you can see. Let me please remove some drawings and hide some drawings too. Ripple is currently in ascending triangle, and if Ripple break this upper trend line, then and ascending triangle towards upside, then Ripple is definitely going to hit $0.37 level in near future. If Ripple do not do this, and if Ripple do opposite, then I think our target will be at, I think so, 0.24 to 0.24 dollars level. These are the levels I am waiting for. 0.36 or 0.24 for the Ripple very soon. 1 hour ribbon is currently at 0.29. We have sorry, this is 4 hour ribbon. We have to wait for this candle close. If this candle close above this EMA ribbon here, at that point, this will be the indication that Ripple price is going high. Definitely is going high. Let me please show you my other chart. This is the EOS chart. Here you can see this is the 4 hour chart of EOS. EOS is currently in this falling channel. You can in this horizontal channel, or in the horizontal channel type, and if we draw this at that point, and my next target for the EOS is 2.4. if break this upper trend line, if fails, then my next target for the EOS is that 2.2. Let me please show you. Here you can see this is the LTC chart, Litecoin chart. This is my next coin, and here you can see Litecoin is in symmetrical triangle or a peanut triangle, and here you can see if Litecoin break this symmetrical triangle towards upside, then my target will be at 160 to 170 dollars level. And if Litecoin fails and do opposite, and for that my next target for the Litecoin is that, let me please show you. $106 level. We have to trade from we have to trade Litecoin from breakout or breakdown point. Put tight stop loss, and 2% is enough. Let me please show you the chances and over trade. And if we do long trade from that point, and let me please show you, our reward is at reward is 18%, same like Bitcoin, and risk is just, we have to set at 2% or 3%. That is enough for I think we have to put at 3%, and 3% is more likely to me. And here you can see 3% risk and 18% reward, and same reward is at if Litecoin break this towards downside. Friend, I am still waiting for your response. Please share this video to your friend, and please subscribe my YouTube and my Telegram channel too for more informative content, and please show your support. This is the Link USD for our current chart. Here you can see Link is currently in symmetrical triangle, and we can see this pennant too. And if this happens, and if sorry for that, if Link break towards upside, then my target is 17.48. we have to take trade from that point, I think so. If 4 hour candle close above $1.15 level, we have to open a long trade, and our target will be $17.50. And in other case, if this happens, then in other case, let me show you. If Link coin take opposite direction, then here you can see 10.84. We have to take trade from that point, and we have to set risk for 2% and reward for reward. Let me please show you for this. Let me please. Here you can see. Just reward is approximately 19%, and we have to set our risk just 3%, I think so. Very good risk and reward ratio for in link coins trade if we do. So please wait, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my request to all of you. Thanks for the watching, friends. Show your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.